men wey be say they no want take their responsibility wey they don born. They will say if pikin grow e go find papa, Holy Ghost fire go burn una there. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. Guys, if you are seeing this channel for the first time, kindly do me a favor by hitting that red subscription button that says subscribe for more updates. E don red for some men wey be say they no wan take their responsibility. Okoko bioko. Mostly this Europe wey we dey so all the old men wey be say they no want face their responsibility. Hey, don dey set for una one by one. Una wey say una wan born, una wan even born 4, 5. Later time go reach wey una wan take una responsibility. Una go dey run katakata. Una go dey run scatter. E don dey red for una. Wey go be say pikin just dey grow dey come. Una go say no, una no need the woman again. Excuse upon excuse. Shey una don see wetin dey happen to Papa Valerie now. Na e dey come out. You see say pikin don grow finish. Na e dey come out say e get pikin. Una no see una life. Some men, no be all, because a lot of men dem dey take their responsibility. When woman go pregnant, they go dey there. When baby go come out, they go dey there. When papas go reach, they go help im mom we change papas, in short. When close time go reach, they go follow their wife and children go market, go buy clothes for the children. May God bless all the old responsible men. May open doors be your portion. All the old men wey be say they no want take their responsibility wey they don born. They will say if pikin grow e go find papa, Holy Ghost fire go burn una there. Na hellfire na be una portion. The time wey una dey throw waste up and down. Una no know say pikin go pass am come. Say una go take the responsibility. So brother, you wan enjoy alone after you don born 3, 4 children. Even if na one you even born, you wan go dey do boy? You wan still go dey put trouser, dey do low waist? Come and sit down here. Come and sit down here. Make una go call dem. All those men wey be say they no dey responsible. They don born, they born throway. They say their pikin go find una. Lie. E no go find una. God no go green, because God no go shame us. We wey be the women. Me, I no be single mother. I be married woman with family, with my children, with my husband. We are together, but my eyes dey reach a lot of things wey dey happen. Mostly this Europe wey we dey so. Me, una know say una no take una responsibility. Why na? Why una go? Why una go say make una wan settle down? Auntie, can you marry me? Will you marry me? But later una go say no, sister character no good. This that. Una go dey complain. You wey dey complain, brother, your own character good. Gba no man for. Sister character no good. Why you no come repair her character? Why you no come put her through that thing wey you know say sister dey do wey you no like? Why you no come correct her? Anyway, Obama ya dole mi onji. Yes, eri ma ka evedo. What wagbe. A lot of una, all the days life wey be say our father wey dey live, wey dey say gia momo ahia omoga wan oga gwalo mere e no go find una in Jesus name. E no go find una. You don dey read for una one by one. Papa Valerie or Gallery, I no know. E don set for you. I trust K family say e go fit fire you, e go fit deal with you, and that court you go go on. You go tell court, tell the government where you dey since then wey be say you no come out Come take your responsibility. Na you wan come fight. Na you wan come drag for pikin wey be say e don big finish. Ha! Some men, make una dey shame. Make una dey shame o, because I dey shame una shame in short. Una shame dey shame me as well. Hi! Odamegbe. Ere oga te bie mwen. Hi! Me say yazo boy. No be fire for burn out cheese. No be fire for burn out cheese at all. Some men no need to be men at all. They no need to be men. No, some men, at least the women even better pass una. Some men they supposed be ibe. Their brain are ibe. The way they reason, they no dey reason fine at all. We don say, may carry go my boy or my girl. If he grow, he no go find you, brother. So shall it be in Jesus' name. And not those women where they show na pepper. They go carry the pikin, go far away from una. Kedu to them. No, nonsense.